Hey guys, So today we're going to be playing Subway Surfers again. So let's see if I can change my character now. And I hope there's no ads coming up. And I know there's going to be an ad coming up already right now. So no ads. Okay. So cool. Hey man. So, I don't have money. I do have money. I have 11 keys. And, I still do have some money. Let me check if I could get a board or something. Like, I want to check it out, bro. Let me see the Subway Studio, which it says over here. Damn. Oh no, I would not like to do that. Let me delete this. Let me get stupid storage space. Who cares? Well, yeah, pretty good. Now let's get out of the Subway Studio and let's actually play Subway Surfers. Subway Surfers right there. And it says loading. Okay, I'm not claiming that. So I would not like to do that. Okay, let's play. We're playing as Jake over here. And let's see if I can play. This is, if I die, if I get hit or something like that, the video ends part 2. Okay, because I know I did that video, like, I think, like 7 weeks ago, or 10 or something. I know I did that video, like, 10 weeks ago, or 11, but yeah, we're doing part 2 over here. Yeah. And I've been playing Subway Surfers since I was literally, a baby. Like a toddler. I've been playing since I was 3. I've been playing this game since I was 3